Hey all, welcome back to another episode of Travel with Carter. Here today I'm doing a fun thing while in Philippines. I'm going to do a deep dive into what is the best fried chicken in all of the Philippines. So you may already have your favorites if you're Filipino or have been here before, but I'm going to do a deep dive to figure out what is the best fried chicken in my opinion, and I'll let you guys know shortly. So enjoy the episode. All right, so I'm in the Philippines, I'm in Manila, and it's always fun to do something familiar yet unique. We're going to a McDonald's and seeing what the local options are. So familiar in the sense that I grew up having this a lot of my life, and but yet unique in the sense where some of the stuff you get around the world is nowhere near the Canadian or American menu. So let's dive in and show you what I got. So first off, I got mixed spaghetti as a side here. So this is something you got to dive in and just really have a look at that. So that is something that they might have in other countries, but I can almost guarantee they don't have the combination of what I'm going to show you here. So mixed spaghetti as a side. I'm honestly not sure if I'm going to be thrilled or not with that. This is what I came for. So look at this. This is called Chicken McDo. And that is crispy looking chicken. That looks unbelievable. And then they serve it with a little bit of gravy on the side, and then plain rice. Okay, and one more that I got is some sort of steak. They're calling it steak with mushroom sauce. So essentially it's a burger with mushroom sauce served over top of rice, and this is kind of on their discount menu, if you will. So I'm looking forward to trying all the options here, and I'll let you know how it goes. So let's try this burger, or almost like a Salisbury steak type thing. So it's again basically a burger with some mushroom gravy on it, and then served over top of white rice. And yeah, quite reasonable. So this is I believe 90 pesos. Yeah, that gravy's delicious, salty, fatty. This hits the spot. If you're on a discount menu kind of day, that's what you want. It's definitely gonna fill you up for cheap. I'm happy with that one. Okay, this Chicken McDo, and I'm just fascinated by how neatly this rice is packed. Okay, beautiful little pack of rice. And then again, this chicken just looks phenomenal. That is proper breaded, crispy chicken. And let's give it a try. Okay, I know it's a bold statement, but this gives Kentucky Fried Chicken a run for its money. That's without even dipping it in the gravy here. That's phenomenal. Highly recommend this. Nice chicken breast that's been breaded properly, deep fried to all heck, and then you got salty gravy to go with it. Oh my gosh, incredible.
Okay. Now, on to the one that I really wasn't sure of. And had the least bit sounding like a McDonald's option, but here we go. This is mixed spaghetti. Okay, so yeah, it's a very sweet sauce, almost ketchup type sauce. Noodles are cooked okay. But yeah, that's a very sweet pomodoro sauce. I wouldn't order it again. I ordered it solely for this. But other than that, yeah, just normal stuff that came with the rest of it. So fries. So in addition to the rice with that chicken, they do serve fries. And of course, always good. McDonald's, arguably the best fries in the world. And wash it all down with a Coke Zero. Okay, so all of this is easily enough for 2 people, I would say. And this was $330 pesos. So we'll do the math on the screen, but really good bang for your money here in McDonald's in the Philippines. And that Chicken McDo, that is what it's all about. I will just show it one more time. Again, look how crispy that is. That is beautiful chicken. That's what it's all about. If you get anything out of this video, get the Chicken McDo. The other stuff you can live without. Chicken McDo is where it's at. Hey all, sorry to stop the video here. I just need to ask a little bit of help from all of you, please. Currently only about 10% of all of you watching my videos are subscribed. So if you could please hit that subscribe button down below, tell a friend, tell a family member. That helps grow my channel, and I'm able to keep living my dream here to be the first person with type 1 diabetes to go to every single country in the world. So I'm getting there, but if you can subscribe and like these videos, it helps with the magic YouTube algorithms, and I can do this more often. Now that being said, it's not only for me. Every time my subscriber count doubles, I'm going to be giving out a prize pack. So I gave one out at 500, gave one out at 1,000. I can't wait to give one out at 2,000. Can't wait to give one out at 4,000, 8,000, etc. So again, please help me, and I'm going to help you guys as well. So I'm going to give a nice gift pack with a flag, some local souvenirs from whatever country I'm in at that time when it rolls out. So please help me by hitting that subscribe button. Stay golden, all. Appreciate the support.
Right, so I tried McDonald's. The Chicken McDo was absolutely amazing. I really enjoyed it. Nice, crispy, spicy flavor. Really recommend it. But now let's dive into one-of-a-kind, uniquely Filipino restaurant. So this is Jollibee. Okay, so this is beautiful, fun, love and be. I wish I could have took you guys to the actual restaurant and see how much excitement there is. They, from the second you walk in the place, they are lively and entertaining. But yeah, so here I got the spicy Jolly chicken, or chicken Jolly, and then again, similar to, I think McDonald's may have borrowed the idea from Jollibee. Got the gravy, and then I got the very uniquely Jollibee idea of this spaghetti. So the spaghetti has got looks like little chunks of hot dog in it, some cheese, and yeah, let's dive in and let's give it a try here. So let me just rearrange. So again, GoPro is still not working great today, so bear with me. If you watch my next video as well, unfortunately, it crapped out on me at a restaurant while I was trying to film it, a 16-course meal. So I got it done on the phone, but yeah, also had to get a new GoPro. So, but anyways, down to the important stuff. Here is what we're here for. This is the Jollibee spaghetti. So yeah, again, very, very sweet. The hot dog gives it a nice little bite of texture and saltiness, and but yeah, definitely would not order that again. Did it for you guys here. Just wanted to try it once, but it's not my thing. But I think it's built for children. The more I think about this, is both the McDonald's one and this Jollibee. I think they're smart, and they make it super sweet because kids will like it. All right, time for the incredible chicken. So just look at how golden and crispy that is. So I got the spicy one. There's also a regular you can get. And I think the easiest way to do it is just rip off a piece and just do the old dunk in the gravy. Beautiful. Yes, this is unique, nice and spicy. It lives up to the name. That saltiness of the gravy is just incredible. Sorry, where's my actual camera? There we go. Crispy skin. It's beautiful. I know I said the McDonald's one beat KFC, which I agreed with. This one beats both of them. So a lot of my Filipino friends told me that Jollibee is the best chicken in the Philippines, and it definitely appears to be the living true to its reputation, at least in my opinion. Again, I'm curious to hear in the comments below. But yeah, let's go one more little piece here. Amazing. Yes. If you haven't done it before, highly recommend it. There is some in Canada. I don't know if there is any in the US, but I know, I believe in Toronto and Calgary, they have it. So I would recommend it if you haven't tried it before. Cheers. Okay, here's the second part of breakfast. Again, this can easily fit in the $10 budget. So they got beautiful fried chicken there as well at 7-Eleven. So let me just open everything up for you and show you what we got. So this was 98 pesos for a nice big piece of chicken, some rice, and some gravy. So I would say this is arguably top 5 most common or favorite Filipino dishes that I've seen people eating, and myself included. It's pretty hard to miss on. So let me zoom in on that chicken. Nice, crunchy, crispy, big, huge piece there. Some rice, and then the gravy, aka dipping sauce. So it's salty, flavorful goodness. Let me just rip off some of that skin and dive in for you. Oh yeah, this is nice. I can tell already. Yeah, that's good, proper fried chicken. Give it a dip in the gravy. Man. And this was 98 pesos for this meal here. So as I was ordering it there, I saw 4 other people in the store eating it. So it is quite common. And similar to the hot dogs in the U.S., this is something that the locals love, and again, cheap. Definitely not the healthiest, but fills the spot, and again, flavorful. I would recommend giving it a try. This is part of my deep dive into the best fried chicken in Philippines.
I still have to go with Jollibee. I've tried it at McDonald's now, 7-Eleven, this Korean chicken and beer restaurant, they called it, but Jollibee is the best to me. The spicy breaded Jollibee chicken, that is the best. But you can definitely fit this in your $10 budget, no problem. Enjoy.
Hey, thanks so much for tuning into another episode of Travel with Carter. Really appreciate all the support I've been receiving. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please hit that subscribe button down below if you do really like what you're watching. And if you could share it with your friends and family, that would help also. Tune in next week as we go to a new country. Can't tell you where just yet, but video will be released next week. Stay golden all.